Okay, we're going to go on a road trip tomorrow, so I'm going to check the truck out because that's the vehicle that we're going to take. Going to check the oil, check the fluids. We'll go ahead and get this hood latch here. Oh, we're going to check the fluids and stuff, and also when we got this truck, we got it used. Didn't have a jack with it. That just arrived. So I'm going to crank down the spare tire, make sure that's good, and make sure that jack is compatible with our truck. I'm going to put this camera down and we'll just check that out. Everything looks good under the hood. I checked the oil. I checked the tranny fluid. And let's take a quick look at this power steering fluid here. I can get this off. Well, there it goes. Yeah, it's got power steering fluid too. So that looks good. Let's see, let's take a look at this air filter real quick. If I can figure out how this goes. It's not like the old days. We just used to have a wing nut in the top. There we go. I'm going to switch hands real quick. And, well, the air filter looks like it's got some miles on it, but it's not so bad. We'll just change that with the next oil change. And it'll be fine. Now let's see if I can figure out how to get this thing back on. Got something back here. Oh, here we go. Well, there's your problem. There we go. When in doubt, punch it out. I'm going to have to switch this thing off and use both hands on this. Be back in a minute. I got the spare down. Now, let's check and make sure this thing's got air in it. Because I know from past experience, oh hell yeah, that it really sucks to get a flat tire. Sucks even more to get a flat tire and have a flat spare, but it's got lots of air in it, so we're good to go there. I'm going to go ahead and put it back under, crank it up, and then I'm going to show y'all where that jack and stuff goes. Someplace I never would have expected. Okay, it was a heck of a thing, but I finally got that jack back in place. The bolt that holds it down was rusted, so I had to use a pair of channel locks to get it loose. But that's where the jack sits, up under the passenger seat. So that means my wife's going to have to find someplace else to put all of her junk. Well, this cover just fits over it. Goes up under there. And it has a little latch on the front there that and that's got the cover in place. Well, now the truck is ready, except my wife has to find some place to put that stuff. I don't know, there might be some room under there yet. Let me take a look. Let me pop this open again. Nope, not much room. I guess I'm just gonna have to put under the driver's seat. That should be okay. Well, that's it for the truck. One quick look around. Because this is probably the last time it's going to be clean and shiny until spring. We washed them both. We washed the little Yaris too. Clean the wheels, clean the bumpers, clean the everything. Speaking of the little Yaris, we got some replacement wipers for it. See if I can get those back up into place. Alright, well, vehicle test would be complete without a test drive of the vehicle. So, I'm going to try and do this. Since it's got an automatic, without using the camera mount. Let's see how I do here. Okay. Fire's right. Well, I'm gonna have to put this down for a second to put my seatbelt on, so I'll be right back. Alright. And let me not put my finger on the microphone. And off we go. Man, it's turning out to be a nice, warm, sunny day today. Anybody sees me, they'll wonder, what the hell is he doing? There's a pond right over there. Too bad I can't turn the radio on. This would be a good day to go for a drive in the sun and crank up some tunes. Crossing over the bridge, I don't know if you can see the railroad tracks. Gibbs. There we go. Now they just increased the speed limit through town here to 35 from 25. A lot of people aren't happy with it. I'm basically indifferent. You know, whatever. Yeah, the sign used to say 25. Oh, it looks like we're getting some Christmas decorating done over here. Wonderful thing about small towns, they do small town stuff. I'm not going to go far. Wow, traffic jam. Yeah, it's looking kind of dismal this time of year. Wait till springtime when the leaves come back and flowers bloom and all that. It gets really beautiful. I'm just gonna go down here and turn it around. And if the camera suddenly ducks, that means I just saw the cops, and I don't know how they'll feel about me doing it like this. I definitely have enough dash for a dash cam. Yep. Okay, now I'm just going to drive back from where I came. Make sure I can do this without wrecking. I reckon. Yeah, you got the river over there. Whoopsie. Railroad bridge. me almost driving off the road. Okay, I'm going to shut this off before I finish somebody off.